So, what's going on mga bossing? Welcome to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And for this episode, we're going to unbox another cool toys from the Voltes 5 Legacy movies or TV shows. So this one is one of the, maybe I can say, one of the strongest monster or enemy of Voltes 5 in the original Voltes 5 and the Voltes 5 Legacy. This is the Baizanga. So I hope I said it right, but there you go, guys. So this is like a, this is a brick kit, our model kit. So we're going to assemble it, and hopefully it's not that hard. So this is only, so to complete this figure, we have we have 1,496 pieces of bricks to complete to assemble this figure. So this is really cool. So excited to build this one. Let's see how it looks like once we assemble it. So let's go, mga bossing. Let's build. Let's unbox. Let's go. Okay, here we go, guys. We got the Baizanga blocks figure as part of the Voltes 5 Legacy figures series from Playkit Philippines. So as you can see, guys, this is all made of like a bricks, like a Lego bricks kind of toys. So this one will surely take you like make you busy for a while building this one. So I'm not too sure how long we're gonna build it and how easy it is to follow the instructions. So, but I'm pretty excited on this one. So let's check it out. And by the way, this is first licensed from Toy and Tele Success, which is the production that's created also the movies and TV shows from the start. They introduced it in the Philippines. So this one is the Philippine version of Voltes 5. It is the Voltes 5 Legacy series. So they created the TV series, and then the TV series become movies. So okay, so there you go, guys, and let's check it out. Let's unbox. Okay. Oh, by the way, yeah, because this is okay, I guess okay, here you go. I believe there's some other stuff added to this boxes. So okay, so we got this one, and I'll share it to you guys later on. So just to save some shipping boxes, they added this other releases from Playkit Philippines Voltes 5 series toys, right? Okay, so that's it for now, and we got let's check out the manual first. There you go. It's pretty cool, really nice instruction manual. Let's see what's inside. Okay, that's pretty neat. So I guess we can easily understand this one and build it. So looks like easy to follow. Nothing special, nothing. Yeah, no need to, of course, to cut something, or I guess there's no more stickers or decals to be added. I hope there's also like a way to, because I'm not sure they don't have those lighting features like what they do on the in the eyes, right? So I hope we got way of doing that, just adding some features like that. So let's see. Okay, how many? Number 2, number 3, and number 1, and that's it. Wow, pretty impressive. Not much of a box, or I mean bags. So looks like we're gonna have oh, there's still some cutting here. So. Oh, knitting, how we call it, like a Gundam model kit. And mostly some bricks. Okay, there you go, guys. We got those 3 boxes and we're going to build. Let's go.
3 days later.
Okay, here we go. Finally, we built Baizanga Black's figure from Voltes 5 Legacy. Look at that. I know, it's really hard to build this one because the bricks part is so like can say like low budget kind of plastic, so it's kind of not so, how do you say that, like in unlike Lego, which is really, once you attach it, it's, you know, it's impossible to remove it, but this one's kind of loose. So yeah, sometimes when you like hold it, you know, just, and you really hold it like a little tighter, some of the parts is you know, like fall apart. So you just be careful on like moving it. So once you put it in place, that's it. Don't touch it again and don't remove it. But somehow what I did here is just put some glue on it, so just to make sure I can yeah, I cannot, you know, accidentally disassemble this one because every part is like when you, it is, yeah, like every part is really loose. So once you remove it, you don't know where to place it back. So that's the big problem here. But at least there's a lot of how do you call it? Let's be careful on this one. A lot of articulation, you can say, on this one, so you can still pause it in some forms. So just be careful on doing that. Like, yeah, all the parts kind of loose, but I guess it's still good. So at least, you know, it's not an expensive piece of building blocks, right? So I think it's worth the, yeah, you get what you pay for. So it's only like around like $30. So yeah, I think 30 to 40 US dollars worth of building blocks. So I think that's okay. So not a big deal. That's what you get, what you pay for, right? So like, yeah, I lose parts of here, but I don't know where is it now. Yeah, I don't know if you guys notice it. Yeah, but there you go. So some of them, I don't know, I guess still complete. And overall, I can say still a good, you know, as long as you, yeah, I recommend you put some glue on it if you really want to, you know, put it on display and keep on moving it or play it around. So yeah, that's my suggestion. So okay, so I hope you guys like this video and like this building blocks or blocks figure from the Voltes 5 Legacy movies or TV series by Baizanga. I think yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's the first monster that Voltes 5 defeated. So there you go, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my video, to this channel. So if you like this video, why don't you give me a thumbs up, and see you in the next episode, I hope. So I got more building blocks I'm gonna share to you guys, so watch out on that one. I have the Voltes 5 and I have the Camp Big Falcon. That's really good. It's on the works right now, so check it out and wait for So I hope you click the bell icon so once I uploaded it, you'll be notified. So here you go. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.